Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. And guys, as you know, Character.AI is completely trash now. You can't chat with your characters anymore unless you verify your age. And not only that, the responses of the characters are so bad too. But what if I tell you that you can now experience completely new, immersive, and unfiltered chats with all your AI characters? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, I have a good news for you all. I just found a pretty amazing and new platform that just got released recently. And on this platform, you can chat with all your favorite AI characters without any filters. Yeah. And this platform is called Red Chat App. Red Chat App is a no-filter AI role-playing and character chatting platform where you can create characters and chat with them. This platform is made by the same developers who made the Story Chat website. Many people absolutely love Story Chat. For people who don't know, Story Chat is also an AI chatting and role-playing platform, and you can chat with your AI characters for completely free and without any filters here. But now Story Chat has released this new platform called Red Chat App. Red Chat App offers even more freedom to your AI characters and chats, and you can experience so many types of AI roleplays here. It's really crazy. It even has tons of characters here already. To use this new platform, you can simply search it up on Google, and you will find it. After that, you can simply make your own account here. After that, just search for any character that you want to chat with, and then click on it. After that, you will come to the character preview page right here. Here you can basically see all the details about the character. Now just press the Begin Chatting button. And there you go. Now you can chat with all your favorite AI characters here. The responses here are pretty good, not gonna lie. Also, by the way, if you want to chat with your characters for free, then you will have to use the Story Chat website. You will find the free model there. And just like that, you can chat with any character here on Red Chat App. You also get many features here too. You can regenerate the responses, edit them, and delete them whenever you want. Apart from that, you can customize the response length. You can customize the memories of your characters. You can customize the appearance of all your chats, and you can also start as many new chats as you want from here. Pretty amazing and simple. You can even make your own personal AI characters too from here. This was everything about this brand new platform. Red Chat App is really so good. You get full freedom with your AI characters here. And it's so simple to use. I can't believe this. They are making it better every day. So you should definitely give it a try. Anyways, tell me about your opinions in the comments. And make sure to like and subscribe for more AI chatbot-related news. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.